Today's video is sponsored by Newton Commercial. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you can find out how you can save yourself 10% off your next purchase.
Hello everybody and welcome back to what some people are now calling the greatest Volkswagen Mark 1 YouTube channel in the entire world. Their words, not mine. In today's video, we're going to be working on my very own 1980 Volkswagen Rabbit pickup imported from California. In today's video, we're going to be taking out the carpet that's inside now and replacing it with a brand new one from Newton Commercial. Now, before we begin today's video, we are going to switch over live to our correspondent, Trent, who has got a special message for you. Trent, are you there?
Thanks, Dan. Yes, I am currently outside the main facility here on the Isle of Wight, where all of the products from Old Volks Home get printed, manufactured, and then distributed all over the world. I'm outside the facility right now. They won't let me in, but they have given me some t-shirt samples to show you what Old Volks Home has to offer. This is one of the first shirts they've allowed me to show you, which does have a back print. This is called the Retro Gradient, which is the Old Volks Home logo. Quite a nice touch. We've got another, there's a pheasant behind me there. This is another shirt they've given me to sample. This is mainly for the Caddy Camper members, I'm told, which are here in the UK. That is available on the website. They've also given me this one, which is from the summer 2023 launch, which does feature your truck on the front with some palm trees, and that is available on many different colored t-shirts, not just white. They've also given me this one here, which is the current bestseller on the website. This is of a UK or Euro Volkswagen Mark 1 Caddy. This is the blueprints there, and the Easter egg is the tailgate says Old Volks instead of Volkswagen. That is the current bestseller. There is also available a T4 version, I'm told, and that t-shirt also comes in many different colors. This is another bestseller, I'm told, on the website. I don't know what the questionable food stains are from or why this is so crinkled up, but this is another favorite to have. It's the Whistling Turbo Cafe. Another little Easter egg here is the address on the back of the shirt is actually where the truck is from, including the postcode. Now, I'm also told you can get your hands on some old stock. Here is the Monster Rabbit t-shirt, the original, the one that started it off. That is also available on the website alongside the Poplin shirt featuring Walter Poplin's Volkswagen Scirocco, and of course you can get your hands on the Winfred t-shirt as well, featuring his mountain green rabbit and trailer setup. There are of course many other different designs, I'm told, on the website, which is oldvolkshome.co.uk. I'm now being told some new information. The t-shirt that I'm currently wearing and all other classic Old Volks Home logo t-shirts are now being discounted from 25 to 20 UK pounds. There is a pheasant out there behind me right now. I am fearful for my life. We do ship worldwide, I'm told, and of course the shipping from the UK to the US starts at, I believe, just 7 UK pounds, which I'm told is very, very affordable. The website again is oldvolkshome.co.uk. Make sure you get yourself some t-shirts before they sell out. Back to you, Dan.
Thanks, Trent. Guys, go to oldvolkshome.co.uk, help support the channel and help what we do here. Get yourself a t-shirt, pair of shorts, hoodie, something like that. It really does help us out.
Okay, so here is the current carpet in the truck. I actually bought this off eBay a little while ago, which was advertised as a left-hand drive brown carpet previously fitted on a Volkswagen Mark 1 Golf. The carpet itself is absolutely fine. I just think that the new carpet color will match the interior, which will actually be more period correct. As most of you know, the American Rabbits and pickups originally came with different color interiors depending on the color vehicle. The main appeal for the interior is that pretty much everything was the same color. If you had a Largo blue truck, for example, you could choose a completely blue interior. For a mountain green truck, you could have had all black interior or all tan interior. And if you've been watching the channel for long enough, you'll remember that this truck originally came in all black interior, but over the time of owning this bad boy, we have slowly changed it from black to tan. So to remove the carpet, I'm going to take out the shifter boot, the shifter surround, and the seats. Now these original seats only have one bolt that keeps them from sliding off the rails, so they're super easy to take out. It's putting them back in which is the hardest part. Now with the new carpet, we will need to make a few holes and slits so that we can fit the seats back in. We'll need to make a couple of holes to put the seat belts in as well. Okay, before we install the new carpet, let's have a closer look at Newton Commercial. There's not many people in the world that do what Newton Commercial do. The color, the detail, the workmanship are all part of what makes Newton Commercial an outstanding company. They're quite possibly the best at replicating the OEM carpets, the door cards, and many other things handcrafted by their skilled employees. Newton Commercial manufactures interior trim for British and European classic cars, and they export all over the world. From carpets to doors to panels, seat covers, headlining and seating, the quality is absolutely incredible. What set Newton Commercial apart from the rest is an insane attention to detail and precision. One thing that Newton Commercial are proud of is their green credentials. 95% of what they source is from Britain. People choose Newton Commercial because of their originality and the craftsmanship and the quality. If someone's trying to restore a vehicle, this is the place you need to get your interior from, especially if your vehicle is from the 60s, the 70s, and the 80s. The same passion that people have for their cars is the exact same passion that Newton Commercial put into their products. Alright, back to the installation. Newton Commercial have also kindly sent us some sound deadening. This is also available on their website. Just be absolutely careful when opening the packages. You don't want to cut yourself on any staples or anything like that. So just be absolutely careful when opening the packaging. So now comes the fun part of figuring out where these mats go. They all come in so many different shapes. As you can see, we do have a hell of a lot of sound deadening already courtesy of Dodo Mat, but a little bit more won't hurt. Remember, the main things for me with this truck is reliability and functionality. I'm not that fussed if it goes really, really fast. That's just a bonus with the PD130, but I do want to make sure this truck is as quiet as it possibly can be. All right, the comparison, old versus new. Straight away, the color of the new carpet is exactly the correct color that I was looking for. For reference, the name of the color of the carpet I've chosen is called Biscuit, and they also have the same color in door cards if you wanted to match. The carpet is round about the same thickness as the old one, but obviously with a much higher quality. It feels luxurious. Now, the only thing I'm not a massive fan of is these foot pad things on the driver's side. I just wish they were more brown or a darker tan color, but I suppose I can paint over those at a later date. Let's get this puppy in the truck. As you can see, the carpet already comes pre-molded to the shape of the truck, which helps massively. It can be a little bit fiddly when installing, but with a little wiggle and patience, it'll go in pretty snug. Now, I also should say the carpet does come with instructions, and you may feel like you need to modify your carpet just to make it fit as you like. In my case, I had to snip a few tiny bits off the corners of the carpet, which are located behind the seats. I used a pair of scissors to stop the carpet from bunching up. Look at that. That's already looking so much better. The color matches the dash absolutely perfectly. Next up, I'm going to cut a few slots in the carpet here to allow access for the seats to just slot in the rails. I've also used some carpet adhesive spray to glue the carpet down. A little fun fact, I used the same glue to stick the headliner fabric onto the headliner board, which you would have seen in a previous video. Now it's a case of putting everything back in. Now look at this, I can't get enough of the color. Just look at that color. I've also managed to find these on eBay pretty cheap. This will help keep the seats from moving slightly, which we all know can be very, very frustrating. It is now the next day and we've just got one more thing to do, and that's put these little corner parts in. I made a few adjustments to the carpet to allow access for my speaker cables, and the flappy vinyl piece actually tucks nicely under the rubber trim around the inside of the door jamb thingamabob.
Technical terms.
Okay, here's the before and after. Damn, that's pretty. I seriously need to get my hands on some nice floor mats that actually match. The ones I currently have look yellow compared to the actual carpet now. Definitely gonna have to paint over these black pads. If you want to see me do that or any other behind the scenes stuff, make sure you follow us on Instagram. I'll leave all the links in the show notes below. One thing I would have really loved to have seen on the new carpet is another pad about here, just so you can rest your foot. I feel like it won't take long before this section of the carpet gets worn and filthy after resting your foot there. Oh man, can we just take a second to appreciate how much the carpet matches the cup holders? And yes, I need to seriously tidy up the wiring around this fuse box. The great thing about ordering from Newton Commercial's website is that you get the sense that everything is made bespoke. Firstly, you choose your make and model, and then you choose whether you have a left-hand drive or a right-hand drive vehicle. This will determine what side of the carpet you have the little driver's feet pad things, and then you get to decide what color carpet you'd like. Of course, you could stick with the OEM and try and go original as possible with the vehicle that you have, or you could go funky and get a nice light blue or bright green carpet for your Mark 1.
And there you go, guys. We now have a more color correct, brand spanking new carpet for the Volkswagen Rabbit pickup. If you'd like to save yourself 10% on buying any carpets or door cards at Newton Commercial, head to their website now and use the code oldvolkssupply to save yourself 10%. But remember, this discount code is only valid for the next 2 weeks of when this video has been uploaded. So if you're watching this video after 2 weeks, the code is probably not going to work. So make sure you go to their website now, order yourself some goodies and use our discount code and get 10% off. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed what you saw here today, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you're brand new, and if you'd like to support what we do here on the channel, head to oldvolkssupply.co.uk, get yourself a t-shirt. We've got so many cool designs that we think you're really gonna love. So make sure you head to our website. We do ship worldwide. Get yourself a t-shirt, shorts, or a hoodie or something. Help support the channel. We really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video.